Hello, beautiful one. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. I'm doing an unboxing video. So I'm very grateful. I received gifts from our beautiful Acasma family of light from all over the world. And today I have two packages to share with you. So I don't know what they are, and I'll be opening them live here in this space. Now, one of them is from the US and the other one is from Canada. So thank you, divine ones. I'm so grateful to connect with each and every one of you. And your gifts are always received with such love and gratitude. I am honored to do what I do and to have this space that I designed and aligned. Yes? So thank you for being part of it. So here's my first package I'll be opening, and this one came from beautiful being of light here in the US. So let's just see what we have. I'll put their IG tags or their information below these videos, whether on YouTube or IG, so you might be able to find them and follow them as well. Oh my goodness, right away. Oh, this beautiful feather. How lovely. Oh my goodness, look at that. Thank you. Oh my goodness, there's a card. Hold on, let me move this. There's a card. Hello, Holy One. I am so grateful for you and all you have shared, attuned, witnessed, held, and loved the spaces of me in this Acasma journey that's really just started. Literally, eternally grateful for your radiant heart and leadership into our collective upgrade in consciousness. I have expanded and healed so many spaces of me that makes my heart burst with love for all you offer myself and the world. So blessed and honored to walk with you. Enclosed are tokens of gratitude. I made a few things with notes on them. Hope you enjoy. I love you, Amy. Oh my goodness, Amy. Beautiful divine one, thank you. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. Your words touch me greatly. Thank you, Amy. Thank you. And there's a beautiful gift bag here. Love the color. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this gorgeous cup. Montana, big sky country. I love it. And Amy knows that I almost moved to Montana and I still have a space in my heart where I contemplate that. So I love this, Amy. I love this. Thank you. And look at that beautiful fish in these colors. I love it. Oh, there's a sticker here. Stay wild. Oh, I love it. Stay wild. That's beautiful, Amy. Thank you. And there's some gifts inside here. Beautiful gifts inside here. Oh, Amy, this is absolutely beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. And there's a note. Let me put it on like this. Okay, so this one is cracked quartz with tiger's eye. Isn't that beautiful? Amy, did you make these? These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love this. Thank you, beautiful one. Oh my goodness. There's another. Oh wow, this is lovely too. Oh my goodness, and I love amber. So this is blue kyanite and amber. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Amy. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Let me put these on. Oh, look how beautiful. Aren't they lovely? Oh, I love them, Amy. I love them. Oh, there's one more in here. One more. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. I love these. Oh wow. Look at these. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, how beautiful. I love these. Oh, those are lovely. I love the shapes. It looks like Acasma, yes? The beautiful diamonds. I love these, Amy. Oh, how gorgeous. Even the bead on there as well. Those are beautiful. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Amy. Thank you. Absolutely beautiful. I love these. I just bought a beautiful white blouse, and this cracked quartz is going to look amazing with it. And I love the blue kyanite and the amber. These are so beautiful. They feel lovely too. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your beautiful words. And Amy, you are an incredibly powerful quantum healer. And reconnecting with you in this now has been an absolute blessing on all levels of my being and my path as well. Thank you for hearing you and moving into the next space of you and bringing that forth to humanity. We are here and we are light, yes? Thank you, Amy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Divine One. Thank you. All right, I'm going to open up package number 2. This is package number 2, and this one came from Canada. A beautiful being of light in Canada. I'll put her info below here as well. This is a card. Oh, how beautiful. Wow, that's gorgeous. Isn't that lovely? Very pretty. Feels lovely as well. Sovereign, grateful. Beautiful. Dearest Andrea, thank you for sharing your gifts. Blessings upon you, Divine One. Love you, Jill. Thank you, Jill. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Thank you very much. And beautifully laid out box here as well. Lovely pink paper. It says pharmacy, be well. I'm not sure if I say that correctly. Forgive me if I don't. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in this box. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So here's this first bag and it says, I love you, beautiful Andrea, girl boss. Oh, I love it. There's stickers, rainbows, palm trees. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's awesome. What is in here? Let's see. Oh, this is a reviving hair mask. My goodness. Look at this one. How beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited, yes? Oh, a shampoo. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm so grateful. What is this one? Oh, a reviving hair oil. Oh, I love it. Wow, how lovely. And there's some packets in here for the keratin shampoo and keratin mask. Thank you, Jill. Thank you for these products. Oh my goodness, there's a whole bunch more in here. What? Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. So this is a paprika and chili balsam massage gel. Look at this. What? Jill? You spoil me. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. And this is the hair removal cream. Look at that, right? Oh my goodness. So these are all, I believe, Jill, I believe, sells these products. She's representative of, look at the beautiful light. You see that? How beautiful, yes. Lovely. Lovely. That's really beautiful. I love it. I always love to watch for the signs, yes, the confirmations, the spaces of conversation with universe. And look at that beautiful light, right? There you go. How beautiful is that? How lovely. That's beautiful. So Jill, I believe, is a representative for this company, and she sells these products, and they're all good for you. They are not filled with chemicals or harming toxins, you know? And so here, this is a makeup time locker. Have more fun, longer lasting makeup. It's a fixer spray. Oh, my daughter uses one of these. I love this. Thank you. Thank you, Jill. It's a fixer spray, like a setting spray, I think. Ooh, I love this. Nourishes and soothes the skin. Beautiful. Let me see. There you go. Oh, I'm so excited to use all these things. How lovely. And two more. Oh my goodness. Double lash mascara. That's not toxic. And a beautiful, let's see, this is a eye pencil that's non-toxic as well. That is actually safe and good for you. Oh my goodness, Jill, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So many beautiful gifts. Just they keep on coming and coming, and I'm so, so grateful. I'm so grateful, so honored. You know, not only do I get to do what I love, what is an indirect connection with my heart, my soul, I get to walk with, assist, guide, teach, activate remembrance within humans of their beauty, of their wholeness, of their power, of their truth. I get to do that. And I get to do it for a career that is extremely abundant, in the joy of my heart, and in the way in which I get the freedom to live my life. And then I get, on top of all of that, these incredible loving connections, reconnections. And the spaces that I get to experience with you guys in our sessions, group, individual, courses, classes, it doesn't matter. These spaces of divine love are priceless. All these beautiful emails and letters and comments and direct messages and gifts, donations. I have cultivated quite a garden of beauty. And I love it. And I love you. Thank you for being the beauty in my garden. Each and every one of you. And thank you, Jill, for these incredibly thoughtful and generous gifts, and Amy, the beauty of you shining through these creations, and our connection yet again with Montana and so many other spaces. to each and every one of you. Unending blessings upon you. May you see the beauty I see when I see you. May you see that beauty in yourself. And may you live from that glorious, magnificent you. Unending blessings upon you, Holy One. I love you. I love you.